Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a Lenovo laptop touchpad not working. Alright, let's begin. First, press Fn plus F10 to enable or disable the touchpad. If the touchpad icon has a line through it, press the shortcut again to turn it back on. If the issue continues, open Touchpad settings from the Start menu and make sure the touchpad is enabled. Then expand the touchpad options and enable Leave Touchpad on when a mouse is connected. If that doesn't help, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices or human interface devices if needed. Right-click your touchpad driver, select Uninstall Device, and confirm. Restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver, which should restore your touchpad. So that's basically how you can fix a Lenovo laptop touchpad not working. And that's it for this video. Thanks!